Oh Lord, some Judah there. Tell them carry Villa. Oh Youth man, watch the liberty where you are free. Come Babylon, I watch you like a 3G. You watch it for the phone, your phone I inform for you. It a tape you, and it all a video you. You a watch your fat scream and it a pray you. As soon American government them want you. After we sell out government extradite you. Never go call for star boy fi defend you. And every people them never back you. They wouldn't get murderation and injure. Oh Lord, murderation and injure. Oh, you fi call gun, make them boot and socks. Them a phone translate it and tell them what you got. Oh, you fi be bad man and boy you want iPhone. Come like you forget about GPS code. Them the thing that take you to your comfort zone. Bad like a bitch say you want fi the road. Yeah, bad say you want fi the road. Yeah. Bad say they want to the road. You know, see them sell a Mr. CD. I sell a computer. Then charge you after. You know, see a big disaster. We have guns and bombs, and we no make that. Babylon does accept them trap. So, what's the limit where you were free? The Babylon I watch you like a 3G. You were talk with phone I inform for you. It a tape you and it a record you. You are watch your blood scream and it a free you. As soon as American government they want you. And they will sell out government extradite you. You ever check this star boy to defend you. Oh, what's the life? Yes, we're living in a perilous time. Don't play like you're blind. Just open up your eyes. Open up your eyes. Whoa, I'm feeling you, my brother and my sister. Oh, my mama and my father. Oh, you fi be bad man, and boy you want iPhone. Come like you forget about GPS code. Them the thing that take you to your comfort zone. Man like a bitch, so you want me to road. Oh, what a life, my brother and my sister. Oh, what a life. Don't play like you're blind, my brothers and sisters. No way. Oh. Bless you now. Look up. I might keep head above the water, you know.